Hello, and welcome to the 2026 January New Year's Challenge. This is going to be a really fun month. We're going to have 4 weeks where we're going to meet once a week for coaching. That's going to be on a Zoom meeting at 7 o'clock on Monday nights. We're going to have tools. We're going to have tips. We're going to have strategies. We're going to have recipes. We're going to have the support of Christian brothers and sisters. And we're going to have biblical encouragement in scripture and prayer along the way because we all need that, don't we? We know sometimes our values don't line up with our behaviors, and we just need that extra support in order to carry out the things that we want to do in the coming year. So, when I talk about this, I'm going to go further into details. Okay. So you're going to be on board with every step of the way because there's a couple of different levels you can choose from. So stay tuned. I'm going to fill you in.